If you're just getting started with FlowPaper, setting everything up is actually very simple because you can even start working with your PDF directly from the FlowPaper homepage without installing anything first. You can simply drag and drop your file here and immediately test the editor, but for long-term use, I definitely recommend creating an account. So you can either work directly in your browser or download the desktop version for your computer. If I click Chrome, a login window will appear where I can either create a new account or sign into an existing one. And after that, I'll be taken directly to the dashboard where I can start working with FlowPaper. For the desktop version, FlowPaper is available both for Windows and macOS. On Windows, choose where to save the installer and then click Save. Open downloaded file and follow the installation steps. And if you're using macOS, FlowPaper will ask whether your Mac uses an Intel chip or an Apple chip. If you're not sure which one you have, just click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and open About This Mac. Right here, you'll see your chip information. In my case, I have an Apple chip, so I'll choose Mac with Apple chip. After that, choose where you want to save the installer and click Save. Once the download is finished, open your Downloads folder, drag FlowPaper into Applications, and then open the app. And that's it. You're ready to start working. So what's the benefit of installing FlowPaper instead of using the online version? Both versions work the same, but the installed version lets you work offline if you're traveling or don't have Wi-Fi. I hope this tutorial made the installation process a little easier for you, and see you in the next video.